Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. It's Sarah, and today I am bringing you the August 2023 Joyful Jordan box. For those of you that might be new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And I just wanted to introduce the Joyful Jordan box to you just a little bit. This is the monthly subscription box from Jordan Essentials. Jordan Essentials is a direct selling company that has products that have non-toxic, botanically based ingredients that are healthy for your skin and are great for overall wellness. And the best part is that the products are topical, so there's nothing that you need to ingest, no supplements or vitamins for you to take. Without further ado, I want to introduce to you the August Joyful Jordan box. Inside this little box of awesomeness is always a postcard. This postcard is so sweet. It says, "Save the bees. Be yourself, be beautiful, and be kind." So not only are we focusing on bees and saving the bees, but we want to save the bees that are listed here as well. On the back side of each postcard is a little blip about what's inside and a picture of each one of the products. This one also has a little blurb on top that says, "Always be your unique, beautiful self, and let your skin glow like honey by nourishing it with natural ingredients and vitamins." So the first one listed here, that is our oatmeal milk and a touch of honey glycerin soap. So this is an exclusive. It has some real oatmeal inside of it. This glycerin is extra soothing for your skin, and it just pops right out of this little clamshell. So this makes it great for travel, even great for using by the sink because it's contained in this container and it'll keep everything protected on your countertop. Just snap it back closed, and I just have to tell you, this smells so good. We do have an oatmeal milk and honey glycerin bar soap in our regular catalog, but this one is enhanced with a touch of real honey. This says, "Enhanced with a touch of real honey, it helps provide antioxidants and extra nourishment. Lather up in the shower or at the sink and pamper your skin with the goodness of natural ingredients. Gentle glycerin soap helps keep the skin moisturized." This one has an exclusive label just for our subscribers and Joyful Jordan box purchasers. The next one is the Be Beautiful Age Defy Serum with vitamin B. This is a full-size serum, you guys. This serum is at least a $45 value. And we have the Age Defy serum in our regular catalog, but this one is boosted with vitamin B, so there's extra regeneration for your skin and hydration. So this is a must-have. I don't think I mentioned it at the start, but the Joyful Jordan box is always $29. And if you subscribe, you save on shipping because shipping is free. Plus, if you're a subscriber, it ships automatically each month on the same day that you ordered it the month before. This says, "Boosted B vitamins feed tired skin and add brightness to skin tone and boost the wrinkle reducing power of the popular Age Defy serum. Apply all over your face and neck as part of your regular skincare routine." Like I said, if for no other reason than you love the Age Defy serum, grab this box before it's gone. And lastly is our Skin Relief. And if you guys have been around for any amount of time, you know that Skin Relief is near and dear to my heart, especially in the summertime months. We use Skin Relief like it's going out of style because it is the perfect after sun lotion because it is so nourishing, not just for sunburn, even though it works so good for that, but just for rehydrating the skin after being in the sun. But it's also great for windburn and rashes and irritated skin, like from eczema and even psoriasis. And this Skin Relief is extra special because it is boosted with the fragrance oatmeal milk and honey. So this is our best selling oatmeal milk and honey phthalate free fragrance blended with Our rich shea butter lotion infused with green tea, aloe, chamomile, and seaweed. Skin Relief is your family's go-to when you need to repair dry, cracked skin, soothe bug bites, reduce soreness from the sun and wind burns, and replenish your skin's moisture. Massage directly into the dry skin for deep hydration and soothing effects. You guys, if you've been on the fence about Jordan Essentials Joyful Jordan box, then now is the time. Let this be your sign that you need to grab this trio of products. This box is valued at over $60. That means that you're getting it 50% off. Plus, if you subscribe, like I said before, you get free shipping right to your door, no matter where you live in the United States. If this interests you, then I will leave a link down in the description box below. You can check out this box. Plus, we have a brand new catalog, and I will leave that link down there as well for you to check out. Please reach out if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I am always happy to help. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I hope I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.